consider this Jody's tip for the week on Blackboard. So I had, I know that a lot of us are getting these bigger and bigger classes, and so we're using groups more. And I had an issue where I had a student who said, I can't see that I'm in a group. I placed students in groups and then had a few more students register for the class and assumed, which I realized I should never do, that because I had set the groups to auto enroll instead of manual enroll, that it would just follow the rules that I initially set up for groups. Well, of course, it didn't do that. And so what I then looked for was something on the web that would tell me, how do I look at my groups? And there's supposedly a View Groups tab somewhere that we don't have on our Blackboard. And so one suggestion was that we don't use groups until like the third week of the semester, so all students are registered, but that seems less than helpful. And so if you use groups from the very beginning and then have some late students register, here's the workaround. So I just click on my Users and Groups button. When that comes up, regardless of how I created those groups, I'm going to click Group Sets. And when that comes up, it gives me this drop-down menu right here. And I'm going to edit Set Enrollments. So I, by hand, went through the grade book because I was assigning a grade to this and was able to identify what students weren't in a group, but that wasn't fun having to go through, 70-some students. This would have been the easy way, is when I went in here, if this was checked, remove the members already in a group from the available members list. Right now it's showing me the only student who's not enrolled in a group is my test student. This is giving me the number of groups, the students in each group, and then it would give me the option to see if there were students out here that weren't enrolled. I can enroll them in any of the groups that are listed here. So thought that might be helpful to any of you using groups or thinking about using groups. Hope you feel the same way.